Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating prerequisites. Check Azure AD Join, Intune licensing, and OS versions so policies can apply. Next, sign in as the target user and enroll the device immediately. This creates the management record needed for compliance. While enrolling, confirm device identifiers and sync intervals to avoid delays. Once enrollment completes, open the Intune console and navigate to Devices so you can proceed with policy assignment and compliance actions without pausing for unrelated setup steps. Now you create and tune the compliance policy that enforces requirements like passwords, encryption, and minimum OS. Assign that policy to relevant device or user groups so it targets the right population. Make sure conditional access references your compliance state to block risky sign-ins. Once done, configure remediation timing and notifications so users get clear instructions and devices transition to compliant status automatically when they meet controls. Finish by validating compliance in the Intune console. Check device status, successful policy deployment, and recent device check-ins. If a device remains non-compliant, make sure policies do not conflict and force a device sync. This often resolves state mismatches. Should that fail, run Intune diagnostics or have the user reinstall the company portal and re-enroll. One key troubleshooting tip: always confirm the user's login is the enrolled account and that conditional access policies reference the correct compliance policy before escalating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.